Jump ball, it's a word play. Ball possession for Team Philippines. Mondas, pass it to Duterte, launches on 3. Las Vegas, number 13, corner pass. He stops, pass to number 7, at the top. The drive, the bomb, water, no. Rebound Domingo, the long pass. Mondas with the lace, that's good. Here's number 13 for Team Las Vegas. Stops and pass, number 13, the receiver. Now at the top against Duterte. Left wings to the corner, bounce pass inside, is stolen by Duterte. Domingo and Illescas, easy lace. And 1. Now at the top. 1 against Illescas. He goes to the left wing. Pass it to the middle. Number 13. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Domingo dribbling at the top. Mondas goes to the corner. Inside pass. Illescas with the hook. Basket is good. Here is Team Las Vegas. To the middle. The bomb, the stop, pull up jumper, free through area, the friendly roll. And he stops, pass it to 1. 1 now with the leather, the spin. Drives against Duterte, top shot, no good. Domingo, pass break. Illescas with the dunk. Number 13, for Team Las Vegas. Pass it to the right wings. Number 8. Pass it to number 13 against Domingo. The side step, the stop, top shot, no. Rebound Illescas. Illescas to Domingo. Domingo now goes to the middle, kicks it out, wide open for 3. Bang! 3 13 for Team Las Vegas. And Inararo rejected by Illescas. Number 20, the pass break. Domingo all alone to the hoops. Easy bucket. Tinapot. The high pass. Number 13, number 8. Top shot, mid-range. That's good. Pass break. Illescas, the easy 2. And here's Team Las Vegas. Number 8. Sa gitna, number 4. The stop, the pull-up jumper. Bullseye, the nets. And Domingo passes to Ranieses. Pico sa gitna, number 20, bump and fire using the window to Mamawag. Ranieses, open look for 3. Bang! Nothing but the bottom. And here's Team Las Vegas for 3. No good. Rebound by Mamawag. Mamawag now, bump and fire off the glass. That's good. And here's Team Las Vegas. At the top, he goes to the middle. The stop. Number 2, Cortez sa gitna. Number 23, pull-up jumper, won't go. Rebound by Mamawag. Mamawag. Corner pass. Sorillo for 3. Bang! 3 for Team Philippines. Moral. Una libre. Grabeng play yun. Perfect play. And Mamawag come from Moral. Fades away. That's a friendly roll. Fades away. Short. Rebound by Moral behind the back. Dribble. Long pass to Duterte. Ang gandang connection noon. Vegas. Number 2 now. Cortez. A challenging Pico. Oh, rejected. Number 30 to Moral. Guevara fakes, fire, easy 2. And here comes Team Las Vegas. And number 13, the receiver, pass it to number 4. Between the legs, pass it to the wings, the stop, the fake, the fire. That's a friendly roll. Moral at the top, passes the right wings. Guevara will stop, will pass corner for 3, short. Rebound Duterte pa rin. Inatake. Pinabitin. It's good. And inbounding for Team Las Vegas. Number 13 at the top. Guarded by Guevara. Step back for 3. That was rejected. Moral to Guevara. From defense to offense. Ang gandang play naman nun. Tic-tac-toe. And here's Team Las Vegas. The drive, the fake, kicks it out for Trey, short. Rebound para kay Pico, the pass break. Ito na naman si Guevara. Easy bucket for Guevara. Chog Moral, dribbling at the top. Goes to the screen, another screen. Moral, kicks it out. Boholano, top shot. That's good. Boholano, tinuro. And here comes in Las Vegas. Number 13 pass to the right wings. Crossover move. Inside pass. Natapikan. Fakes. Clutch. And fire. Hook shot. Bullseye. And dribbling at the top. Here comes one. One pass to the top. Number 4. Inside pass na. Libre. Basket is good. Moral against one. Between the legs. He cross over behind the back dribble. Attacks. Inside pass na. Libre. Gandang pasa na naman. Coming from Moral. And the attacks. Lost the handle. Stolen. And the pass break. Sakto yung pasa. Sakto kay Moral. Behind the long pass. Ang gandang pasa na naman from Moral. And the long pass. And Minecos, easy to. Moral. Wasting the clock. Pass it to Guevara. Guevara at the top. Goes to the screen by Boholano. Boholano tries a triple. No, rebound by Moral. Pinulot lang. Moral. And the pass number 13. The side step for Trey. That's here comes Team Las Vegas. Between the legs to number 4. Number 4. Pass to the right wings. The fake. Stop, pull up jumper. That's good. Panaligan. Pass it to the left. Iliescas will attack. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. And here comes Team Las Vegas. Number 12 to number 8. Between the legs. Pass it to the right. Number 3 will nakalusot. Easy to. Domingo straight to the hoops. No. Ball is stolen by Iliescas. Stop. Open for Trey. Bang! The net. Madali yung dalawa. Domingo. Stops. No look. Pass inside. Grabing pasa yun ni Domingo. And number 13 for Team Las Vegas. Number 7. Cross pass. Picks. Bounce pass. Attacks. Hook. No. Picks. Put back shot. That's good. Domingo. Crossover move. Bump. Kicks it out. Panaligan. Bounce pass to the middle. Will attack. Will fake. Will spin. Will hook. That's good. And here's Team Las Vegas. Attacks, lost the handle, stolen. Pass break ngayon kay Panaligan. Binitbit, lumipad. Easy bucket, Panaligan. Panaligan. Dribbling at the top. Omilio. Omilio goes to the screen. Bounce pass. Boholano, lefty lace. That's good. Ay. And the pass, number 11. Attacks, lace, no. Rebound mapupunta dito sa Team Philippines. Omilio, pass break ngayon kay Mamawag. Pinasa kay Panaligan. Easy bucket, Panaligan. Mamawag. Mamawag goes to the screen. The side step. The lace. Lipad malala. And here you go, number 2. Inside pass. Lefty lacy. It's good. And here's Team Las Vegas. Nakalusot. Lace, no. Rebound, put back. That's good. Number 11 drives. Lefty. Yes, sir. Mundas. Mundas. Inside pass. Panaligan. Easy to. In Team Las Vegas. Dancing, nakalusot. Drives. Inside pass. Fakes. In the pass. Layup. Yes, sir. Mamawag. Mamawag. Drive. Kicks it out. Mundas. Stop sa gitna. Recover by Moral. Oh, the Rondo shot. No. Stolen by Panaligan. Inside pass. Naagaw. Nakuha ngayon ni Moral. Moral. Jumeli pa. Bound by Duterte. Pass break kay Mundas. Mundas. Oh, hindi na dribble. Mundas easy to. And it's Team Las Vegas. Nakalusot dito. Great space. Pull up jumper. Short. Rebound by Panaligan. Pass to Duterte. Layup. It's good. Duterte. 7 high pass. And the pass break. 1. Easy bucket by 1. Nadulas. Oh, yung sapatos niya. Yung sapatos ni Moral. Wait lang. Time out. Behind the back pass. Oh! From sapatos to opensa. Grabe yun. Tanggal ulit. Iba tal. Now between the legs. And the pass. From deep. Bang! Nothing but the bottom. Domingo behind the back. Attacking the defense. Hook shot. No. Battle for the rebound. Oh, natapik patas ni Pico. Mundas. Goes to the screen. Top shot. No. Dips in. It's good. And slowly between the legs. And is stolen. Here's Mundas. Easy bucket. Mundas.
At the end of